goodness all around, and there's truth for the taking. Every sight, every breath, every sound. Help me see it in the morning, and help me sing it all day long. When I smell the scent of evening, let me thank the whole world for its song. For there's beauty in the making, yes, there's goodness all around, and there's truth for the taking. Every sight, every breath, every sound, every sound, every sound, every sound. Every sound. Oh, the storms of life will hit us, and those trees will tumble down, but give us shelter till the dawning. We need the bad to see the good all around, for there's beauty in the making. Yes, there's goodness all around, and there's truth for the taking. Every sight, every breath, every sound. Every sight, every breath, every sound. Every sight, every breath, every sound. Every sound. Every sound, every sound, every sound. Shinawoo. So, that was a song of mine called Beauty in the Making, and it was inspired by a trip I took to Kentucky, where I visited a place called Berea, and in Berea there's a man called Warren A. May, and he makes dulcimers, and this is his signature model. Most dulcimers have this kind of on both sides, whereas I think he calls this a teardrop or something like that shape, and it's made of cherry wood, and it's lovely. It's got, as my friend Mossy said, it kind of sounds a bit like a bouzouki. It's got that double strings going on there, and it's nice and simple, and a bit tricky to learn first, playing like this. I was trying to play it like a guitar, I couldn't really do that, and so ended up figuring out some way to play it. So I'm still on a journey with that learning. So yeah, the song then, I don't know, it was a simple song that kind of came because in Kentucky we were in a place called Shakertown, and that was a group of people who came together. It's kind of a religious thing where they were there, and they'd be dancing in this big open hall and singing all these different songs. And so I was kind of inspired by hearing some of their songs to keep it simple and let a nice little melody, let the melody of the dulcimer come out, and then the idea of creating as a method of expressing yourself is very, very important. And I think even sharing. I've been creating, but maybe not sharing as much as I should over the last year or so. But I have a friend, Stephen James Smith, and this is a poem of his. We must create to know who we can be. You should check that out online. Stephen James Smith. He's great and inspiring, and Yeah, I'm delighted to have him as a friend. So that's the story with that song, Beauty in the Making. I hope you got something out of it. And one last thing, it would be great if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a little goal that I'd like to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, or before, hopefully. That would be amazing. And also there's a little bell somewhere. If you click the bell, that's for notifications, so that you'll find out whenever I have a new video. That'd be awesome. Thank you.